Hello P1. How are you, my friends? This is lesson 12, literacy 1 and 2 in P1 term 1. My name is Teacher Naomi. We are still learning about our home. We are going to look at the birds in our home. In lesson 11, we learned about things in the bedroom. Can you sing a song again? Plates and cups, forks and spoons, also the knives at the dining in a good home. Blanket, pillow and bed sheets on the bed cover, all things at home. Chicken, ducks, guinea fowls and pigeons there, they give us eggs, we eat their meat. Goats and cows and the sheep we keep at home, they give us milk, we sell the meat. Mangoes, oranges, pineapple and grapes are fruits we grow in a good home. Good. Now listen to this poem about birds in our home. Chicken, ducks, guinea fowls and pigeons there, they give us eggs, we eat their meat. Say it with me. Chicken, ducks, guinea fowls and pigeons there, they give us eggs, we eat their meat. That is fantastic. Can you name some of the birds at home? Perfect. Hens. Good. Ducks. Correct. Turkeys. Now let us name these birds by their sound. What is that? Perfect. That is the sound of a duck. What is that? Wonderful. That is the sound of a turkey. Wow! It is big. And what is that? Great! That is the sound of a cock. Yes, it is a cock. What is that? is a pigeon. And what is that? Perfect. It is a parrot. What is that? Exactly. That's a guinea fowl. Let us now sing about the birds in our home. Chicken, ducks, guinea fowls, and pigeons there. They give us eggs, we eat their meat. Can you sing this verse with me? Chicken, ducks, guinea fowls, and pigeons there. They give us eggs, we eat their meat. Sing it again with the piano. Chicken, ducks, guinea fowls, and pigeons there. They give us eggs, we eat their meat. Can you now spell and read these words? Good. D U C K. The word is duck. Correct. C O C K. The word is cock. Right. P I G E O N. The word is pigeon. Correct. P A R R O T. The word is parrot. Good. G U I N E A F O W L. The word is guinea fowl. Correct. T U R K E Y. The word is turkey. Can you now write these words in your book? Let us now read this story about the birds in our home. There are many birds at our home. We keep ducks, chicken, pigeons, and guinea fowls. We also keep turkeys. All these birds lay eggs. We like eating eggs. We have a parrot. It is a pet. It speaks some words. It is a good bird. Birds are good because they give us eggs and meat. Let us now sing our song again as we come to the end of our lesson. Plates and cups, forks and spoons, also the knives at the dining in a good home. Blanket, pillow and bed sheets on the bed cover, all things at home. Chicken, ducks, guinea fowls and pigeons there, they give us eggs, we eat the meat. Goats and cows and the sheep we keep at home, they give us milk, we sell the meat. Mangoes, oranges, pineapple and grapes are fruits we grow in a good home. Thank you for being good learners. You may now open page 13 of your workbook and write your answers on it. Dear parents, there is a learner's workbook on this platform. Please print it out for your child to do the activities in it.